Today I'm going to give instructions for a basic meditation technique that we teach at our stress reduction class at Millsaps College in Jackson, Mississippi. I want you to get comfortable, relatively loose clothes, spine relatively straight. You can sit in a chair or a cushion, whichever is best for you. I want you to close your eyes and just start watching your breath. Don't control the breath. Sometimes it'll be long, sometimes short, sometimes deep, and sometimes shallow. You're just watching your breath. Now I'm going to ask you to choose a place to watch the breath. There are 3 basic places to watch the breath. Either at the tip of the nostrils, watching the breath or the air going in and out. You can experience that for a minute. Or you can choose watching the breath at your chest, as your chest goes up and down. Or the 3rd place to watch the breath is in your abdomen, as it goes in and out with each breath. Experiment for a few minutes, all 3 places, and then just choose one and stay with it. No matter what you feel or how uncomfortable you may get, you need to choose one particular place and then stay with that place. The tip of the nostrils, the chest, or the abdomen. I'll give you a few seconds to choose which one you want. And now I want you to watch the breath as it goes in and out of one of those places. Meditation keeps you in the moment, the present moment. And if you're in the present moment, there should be no suffering. Drifting to the past, drifting to the future is suffering. And you'll find that it's not so easy to stay in the present moment. That's what's so important about this discipline. Eventually, you may wake up and find that you've been pulled away from the breath by some sort of story. Just gently bring yourself back to the breath. You'll be doing this over and over again. That's the discipline. It happens to everyone. You're not a failure. Don't give up. Don't say you're not good enough to do this. This happens to even the most experienced meditators. The important thing is that you're realizing how easy it is to be pulled away in all different directions. And the important thing about this is that you're waking up to that fact. So it's not bad, it's good. There are a couple of techniques you can use to help you watch the breath. The first one is to say silently to yourself, in, out, with each breath. This sometimes helps people to stay more focused. In, out, with each breath. A second technique is to count 1 to 10 with each breath. You count 1 the first breath going in and out, and then all the way to 10, and then start over. So when you find yourself on 19, you know you've been pulled away, and you start over at number 1. It's a good way to catch yourself. So you go in, out, or you use numbers 1 to 10. few minutes, I'm going to ring the bell, and that'll be the end of this video. But you can keep meditating. And when you're meditating each day, it's good to try to find a particular place and a particular time to meditate. That gets your body and your mind in the habit of doing this. And if you decide that I can't do it today, I don't have time, even 1 minute is important. Just do it every single day.